Alright, mic check. Check mic, mayong gabi. Katawhan sa laak. And tonight is our championship game for the third Open Commercial Basketball Tournament in celebration of the 46th araw ng Laak Davao de Oro. CM Farm Basketball versus Kanto Boys sa ating championship game. Mayong gabi sa tanan. Shoutout to 244 live viewers. Live na live po tayo sa Court Vision and CM Farm Basketball Facebook page. Don't forget to follow and like for more basketball action. Stay tuned kayo. Taon-taon mag-start ha. We're just waiting sa Team Kanto Boys na maabot na dali sa gymnasium. Boss, na sila Lasarte sa Kanto Boys. Wala gyud na ko nakita si Lasarte sa duha ka game sa Kanto Boys. Siyempre, atong pasalamatan. This live stream is powered by Court Vision, sponsored by CM Farm Basketball, Boss Mario Bantilan and Ma'am Virgil Leones. And daghang salamat po sa mga nagsuporta sa atong live stream. Homemade customized furniture, Tagum, Home of the Champions, Big Printing Services by Cardawi Shikalabe, Monmon Official. And siyempre, ito ang official tailoring, the Big Printing Services, and our internet provider for this event, the Good Game Networks Laak, for fast and reliable internet connection. I-message na ninyo kung gusto mo magpatawag sa inyong mga panimalay or gusto mo mag-business o Wi-Fi bendo. So kailangan nyo internet connection. I-message na ninyo ang Good Game Networks Laak. Daghang salamat Sir Aljan Aliaga sa pag-sponsor sa itong internet connection. And syempre, daghang salamat for inviting us here. Daghang salamat Honorable Yeng Libuangan, Honorable Honeyboy Libuangan, and Ma'am Bam Libuangan. Daghang kayo salamat sa pag-facilitate, pagpangga sa mga diriya sa Laak Davao de Oro. Ted Saga, nagpaayo pa si Ted kaya na siya injury. So, I think 6 months siya. Dili sa pwede magdula para ma-heal yun ang iyang injury. Shoutout Cyrus Estelioso. Shoutout to Jory Gultiano. Shoutout to Adelmo Acuña. Shoutout Boss E. Chavez, taga Talisay, Cebu. Van Johnson. Shoutout from Chinaragan, Davao del Sur, Lodz. Shoutout Orique Lampunay. Shoutout Cyrus Estelioso, mana. Erwin Condisa, Laag Nadol. Shoutout to 409 live viewers. Shoutout Miles Batingal. Shoutout sa mong mga tapa diriya naghulat para sa championship game. Nagkaon og mani. Ayan. Shoutout. Oy, watching right now, Kuya Akit Nakila. Shoutout sa mga vendors diri nagbaligya og mani og chicharon, palitin na yung taon ninyo. Shoutout to Kim Asido. Shoutout Maynard Kanyamo. Yes, Laak ni. Live na live tayo dito sa Municipality of Laak, Davao de Oro, Laak National High School. Shout out do from Panamorin, from Norbert Antipuesto. Shout out Abril Tres, Justin Jade, Sida Castolo. I think wala na nadula ang fighting for third. Automatic na ang Ayan and Kai or ambot unsay na itabo. Mga tanataw niya atong ikaw niya Dongski Bagunan, shout out Jerwin Bandoy, shout out, Kog. Toyla Idol. Sir, kasi mo gusto i-shout out.
Shout out yung Dudong Masbang.
Isa pa. Ikaw, ma'am. Gusto mo shout out.
Shout out to Claudine Joycela.
Okay, salamat. Ma'am, isa mo shout out, ma'am.
Shout out Celso Vlog. Shout out.
Ikaw, sir.
Para sir.
Easy, sir. Ikaw lang.
Celso Vlog highlights of Celso 2.0. Shout out.
Ana. Ikaw, gusto mo shout out. Wala kayo shout out. Wala kayo shout out. Kamo. Kasi na kayo shout out. Okay, daghan kayo. Nagkatang ang mga tao. Diri sa Laak National High School for the championship game. Champion prize 100,000 pesos. Shout out Dexter Rillion. Yes, champion Chip Nidol Ricky Lampunay. Shout out to Berteline Comidoy Bangaon Senior from Tagum City. Shout out Gerald Balatero. Shout out, shout out to 539 live viewers. Shout out Chard Amaon. Shout out kong Bragaes Dol from Kidawa. Shout out dia Dol from Dimolok Malita Occidental. John Paul Bringas. Shout out to Kevin Baring Carvalho. Shout out from UAE Dubai Redentor Albarasin. Shout out to Crystal Jane Dandoy from Duvan Cervera. Shout out idol from Nabuntaran John Carlson Kayawon Juanilio. Yes, nasi kabahog Sir Jerwin Bandoy. And shout out po idol Juji Manog Palma Monmon official na ito sa Atbang. Shoutout ko doon sa akong kauban, naglantaw sa inyong live. Nalantaan ni kay Dili may mga sulod sa motor. Si Donesa Diana Hana og BR from Mabuhay Laak. Salamat from Ronald Eborde. Okay. Pag inumugbog na, daganan nyo guys dira. Well, nagtanaw sa live. Shoutout boss GL Suazo. And Dings Tabay. Shoutout Lodi from Tokyo, Japan. Shout out to 614. Christian Kanya. Shout out though from Aces. Okay, ako sabon. This live stream is powered by Court Vision and CB Production. Sponsored by the CM Farm Basketball. Owned and managed by Boss Mario Bantilan and Ma'am Virgie Aliones. Daghang salamat boss and madam. Siyempre, daghang salamat sa live stream supporter nato. Homemade customized furniture. The home of the champions. Biggs Printing Services. Monmon Official. And to our internet provider for this event, the Good Game Networks. For fast and reliable internet connection. I-message na ninyo ang Good Game Networks. O daghang salamat for inviting us here. Honorable Yeng Libuangan. Daghang salamat po. Honorable Honeyboy Libuangan and Ma'am Bam Libuangan. Thank you po for inviting us here diri sa Laak for the third Open Commercial Basketball Tournament 2025 in celebration of the 46th araw ng Laak Davao de Oro. Wala talang si Monmon, unya taw-taw siya na mag-istorya diri. Shoutout Kanya, shoutout Dol from Aces. Kings James Yusta, shoutout. Wala si Sanjo kay wala may import diri . 29, shoutout boss from Poland. Shoutout Manong John. Jued Madangit Hangad. Redentor Alba Rasin. Giancarlo Antonio Santo pa shoutout bossing. Prince Bin Diba shoutout doon from Switzerland. Pinono, nasi Pinono pero watching lang. Pa-shoutout sa ko idol Dol Runan Santillan from John Carlson Kayawon Juanillo. 29, shoutout boss from Poland. Patilawa $1 sa Poland be. Gia Suazo conflict diri sa kuan Laak. Siyempre priority nato ang mga liga diri sa Davao de Oro. Pasay invite ang CM Farm kay siyempre ang ato ang team owner is from Davao region. And also one of the players nato, local players diri Tonton Suway Baguio. Oy Landry Sanjo. Bro, how are you? We miss you. Landry Sanjo. Mo lang rules, walay import ang ilaha rules. So, kuan lang. Filipino lang tanan. Pa-shout out VJ Margs. Pa-shout out ko idol from Tagum City, Angel Olia. Jory Casona, shout out. Witong Tonic Stone, shoutout Dol from Kaligutan. Shoutout Boss Kankan from Barangay Sasa, Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. Shoutout from Japan, Idol Marlo Claro. Marlon Claro, patilawa mi ogien be. Patilawa mi gien dira. Shoutout from Japan. Patilawa miglapad. Murag wala naman nadula ang WFG and Ike Kitty. Shoutout Dol Carlos Calio from Laak. Nelvert Bahaw. Shoutout from Kabadbaran. Iron Laorden Bermoy. Shoutout Idol Arlastag Colocos from Upinya. Oy, shoutout Hans Gerald Guerra ko antol, shoutout niya tol. Please follow ang The Guerra family. Yes. Thank God my bro Landry Sanjo, you're okay. Enjoy watching the live of the championship game. Drink some beer, bro. Put a lot of ice, bro. Landry Sanjo. Giancarlo Sumatra Santillan, shout out idol. Marvin Loren Fernandez, pa shout out boss watching from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Marvin Fernandez, patilawa mi kon grabe. Unsay currency gidra sa Riyadh. Shout out yan manihapon ta. Oy, daghang salamat. Unya pa mi paguman diri Jorosi Lacri Panirio, shout out boss from Tagum City. Oy, ang pinakakusgang right hand ni Kuya Christian Yanyan bahagi diha sa Carmen Davao del Norte. TJ Lopio watching right now. Regards kong Kuya Yan Yan. Kuya Yan Yan! Sa mga taga Carmen, ayaw ninyo kalimti. Christian Yan Yan bahagi. Shout out idol from Kambugan Boys, Gerard Yunggao. Uy, dila sa Kambugan. Shout out to Samon family. Shout out dila kang Mark Anthony Samon. Ako Antol. Shout out do from Pagsabangan Tagum Randel Pulusan. Has Gerald Guerra, i-follow ninyo ang The Guerra Family. Kung gusto mo mga family content, comedy content, no, The Guerra Family, pwede kayo na sa imo ha. Shout out to Geo Cantones from Cagayan, Carmen, Tats D. John Mark Elisan, shout out Dol, pag-shout out kang Dexter Fabular from Trento, Agusan del Sur, the King of Panalay na Agusan, Rain Carl Mordino. Guys, basi na may mga open commercial dira sa inyong local. Pwede ko ninyo i-invite, i-hire ko ninyo. Gusto mo quality live stream sa inyong mga padula, pwede ninyo i-message. Pwede ko ninyo i-message, magsabot-sabot lang ta. Jerson Valderrama, shout out to watching from Magsaysay, Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. Thank you. Easy win from Emilio. Shout out boss Marvin Loren Fernandez. Joe Cubs de la Pina, shout out idol. Shout out though from Kidapawan, Clyde Bularon. Shout out idol from Taganito, Surigao del Norte, Jonel Aguilo. Happy watching from Nagoya, Japan, Emilio. Patilawa Migien dala sa Japan, boss Emily Leo. Kyrie Kanya Leso Juso, shout out boss from Maragusan. Shout out Dol Molok Bulok Alo Bihid Miss Or from Jocabs de la Piña. Shout out ko Ivan Og Humari, nawala ni chat sa kuan na mutanaw og championships from Juros Lacre Panerio. Shout out Sonim Gotipak. Shout out though from Kidapawan City. Shout out Monmon official from Kent Gino. Shout out kay Adam Mades ayaw kaya palapit dol kay mga laba pagkaugma. Dol wala lagi conflict diri ah. Okay, mag-start na ta. Lodi, dira si Monmon Lodi.
Check. Maayong gabi sa inyohan tanan. 46 araw ng laak. Davao de Oro. Third Open Commercial Basketball Tournament Championship Game. CM Farm Basketball versus Kanto Boys Davao. Magandang laban. Dito lang yan sa laak, Davao de Oro. So, nandito rin ang former player ng CM Farm. Paglinawan, syempre shoutout sa muang big boss. Nandito rin Boss Mario Bantilan and Madam Virgie Aliones. Good evening, boss. Sa lahat ng mga live viewers, shoutout sa inyo hantanan. Pa-share sa ito ang live championship game. CM Farm Basketball versus Kanto Boys Davao. 56 araw. 46 araw ng laak Davao de Oro. Kabahog. 2 points. John Cor Kabahog. Paglinawan. Is that outside? Guarded by Chavez. Masakay Pakiding. Pakiding. Fading away. Air ball. JB Mantilia. Pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Jen B. Mantilia. Vincent Mingito pull up J, 2 points. Vincent Mingito. Calamba controlling. Calamba to Benvenida. Atras zona. Ay, Barrera pala, sorry. 2 points, Calamba. JB Mandelia controlling the ball. Pasa kay Vincent Mingito. To Mandelia. John Court Cabahog now. Check. Check by Calamba. Pass break play to Pakiding. 2 points, Pakiding. Mandelia. To Elmer Chavez. Chavez ginamitan ng katawan dito. Para nice defense. Calamba nakalusot. Bounce pass to Pakiding. Sumakay ka pa. John Court Cabahog. Supply. Cabahog.
Seven minutes and 27. For the opening play, we knock Mario Patron.
Vincent Mingito from way down south.
Wala ngayon ang kanto.
Elmer Chavez check. Mandelia pull up J. Supply. Elmer Chavez 2 points.
Wala naman kanto.
Maginawan. Maginawan. Pasa kay Barrera. Barrera to Benvenida. 2 points.
Wala
Mandelia. Jenmar Bragaes. Screen by John Court Cabahog. Bragaes to Elmer Chavez. Wala. Rebound John Court Cabahog. Ginamitan ng katawan. May foul.
Seven minutes and four.
2 throws para kay John Court Cabahog.
1 point.
1 point Maginawan.
Last round. 10.
Barrera.
Wala ngayon ang kanto.
Check by Mandelia. JB now. Bragaes for 3. Wala. Pakiding. Pass break play. To Barrera Nicole. 2 points. Barrera.
Wala ngayon ang sir.
Mandelia pass to Chavez. For 3. Wala. Rebound Pakiding. Pasa kay Barrera. Barrera lumapit. Pasa kay Benvenida. 2 points. Happy watching sa mga partners, sa mga players na po diri nag-watch. Si Ma'am Yumi Porcona Cabahog. Siyempre ako ang partner nag-watch po. Zeb De La Torre, maayong gabi na ni mo diha. Attorney. Nagkauna ka.
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Okay, back to the ball game. JB Mantilla. Pass to John Ford Cabahog. By foul. Two throws para kay John Ford Cabahog. Lain. Paglinawan. Rebound. Pass to Pakidig. Punta kay Barrera. For 3. Barrera, wala. Hindi ka ng rebound. Pakidig. Pull up, Jay. Wala. JB Mantilla. Janmar Bragaes. Bragaes, 2 points. Out of bounds. Mantilla now. Sa kay John Ford Cabahog. Steal by Pakidig. Pass break na. Sablay! Ang layup ni Barrera doon. Bragaes behind the back. Side step, Jen B. Paglinawan. Paglinawan for 3. Wala. Rebound Bragaes. Bragaes na naman. Diretso. Out of bounds.
One minute and 54 for the opening wave. Mulai dari Kalamba. Masih speed. Papa Vanessa Tumatia. Bragaes.
Janmar Bragaes, 2 points.
Mulai Naganta.
Pakidig. What a move by Pakidig!
4 minutes and 23. Yes, Bragaes. Rodrigo Cabahog.
Cabahog gustong araruhin. Pakidig, pass break na. Barrera, blocked by Manresa.
4 minutes and 3 seconds. Final game, 4 minutes and 3 seconds. We're now first quarter. Another 3 seconds. Agustus, 3 seconds. Second round.
Kalamba. Bounce pass to Ben Binida. Fake. Labas kay Pakidig. Barrera. Tumingin ng screen. Bounce pass. My foul.
Oh, just number 77. Usually go Yusuf. First was in a foul. First team down.
Pakiding, pass to Barrera. Barrera, long three. Wala. Rebound, Papart Manresa. Check! Malaki trabaho. Dalawa, laban sa tatlo. Jenmar Bragaes. 2 points, JNB. Calamba. Score 12-15 in favor of CM Farm. Aras by Bragaes. Calamba now. Pasa kay Barrera. Barrera bounce pass to Calamba. Pasa kay Buen Binida. Pull up J. 2 points.
3 minutes and 8 seconds. This is Kobe Palencia. Controlling the ball.
Kobe Palencia. Pass to Cabahog. Fly, Cabahog recover the ball. 2 points. Cabahog.
2 minutes and 48 seconds. Manamba, goes number 2.
Calamba.
Taking the shoot.
Barrera. Lumapit. Pasa kay Pakiding.
Now the shoot.
Paglinawan for 3. Paglinawan.
Big number 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Valencia.
Kobe Palencia.
Pasa kay Cabahog. 2 points. Agbong.
Once again,
Calamba.
taking the shoot.
To Barrera.
Goes number 3.
Humingi ng screen kay
And the
Pakiding.
shoot.
Barrera driving. Pakiding, umikot. Labas ni Paglinawan sa pangatlong dalawang kataon. Buen Binida. Air it out. Liso na matagin ko Manoy. Papart Manresa. Kobe Palencia to Bragaes. Kuntik pa yung ma-check. Bang! Boy Paglinawan. Same ball.
1 minute and 35, 15 sugar. 1 minute and 35, 15 sugar. 15 shoot.
Papart Manresa. Inbounding the ball. Pasa kay Bragaes.
20 shoot.
Bragaes step back sa Gedli. Wala. Ito ng rebound. Papunta kay Noya. Takes it out. Paglinawan. Fake. Bye-bye. Move. Paglinawan. Wala. Bragaes. Inside, outside. Bragaes. Check by Noya. Pass to Paglinawan. Pass break. Nakuha ni Agbong. Pasa kay Kobe Palencia. Kobe bounce pass. Jenmar Bragaes. Score 19-17. 54 seconds. Calamba. Buen Binida, wala. Rebound by Alsola. Pass to AG Agbong. Pass break to Papart Manresa. Papart Manresa, 2 points. Calamba. Mingi ng screen kay Buen Binida. Calamba.
8 to shoot.
To Calamba, 8 seconds to shoot.
Point to shoot.
Calamba, 2 points. Small, back to ball. Calamba, nagparamdam.
Point figures.
Kobe Palencia, nawala sa balanse, may foul.
There's a winning board. There's a blocking. 3.4 tayo. 3.4. 3.4 seconds. 3.4 seconds na lang po for the opening break. 14 down ng Canto Boys. 3.4, win for the Rizal.
One point, Kobe Palencia. Calamba. Hail Mary, end of the first quarter, score 22-19 in favor of CM5 basketball.
Salamat sa sponsor sa North Texas ng commercial with the services on Adumanan Torneo and everyone ng Torneo on Linggy Moray sa Vice Mayor of Breakfast Official and everyone Mark Antonino Moray ang sa talang Respectable kabilang Respectable First Councilor sa Services on and everyone Linggy Moray ang sa talang Discrimination President and everyone Stila Camacho ang sa talang Administrator Services on Engineer Miss Pong Limon. Second quarter. Mula ngayon ang Canto Boys.
Back to the ball game for the second quarter, scored 22-19 in favor of CM Prime basketball. Paginawan, controlling, guarded by Bulak. Barrera, screen by Noya. At switch ang bantay. Barrera. Rebound Noya. Check by Papart Manresa. Pass break na. Kay Bulak. Alsola in and out. AJ Agbong. Agbong, wala. When Ginida bounce pass. Barrera, my foul.
There's a holding down and on.
Paginawan for 3. Wala. Rebound Kobe Palencia. Kobe nagmamadali sa buhay. Kobe! Laki tinawag. Out of bounds. Calamba, guarded by Papart Manresa. Pass to Barrera, Nicole for 3. Bingo! Hey, 2-1. Kobe Palencia now. My foul.
First team down, Canto Boys. 8 minutes and 41 seconds. Second down to 11. Kobe Palencia. 9 to shoot.
Kobe pass to Bulak.
6 to shoot.
Alsola tear grab, 2 points. Barrera. Barrera lumuson. Barrera, ganda pa sa kay Noya. Bulak. Bulak. Labas muna kay Alsola. Pasang kay Kobe. Open sa 3 points. Kobe Palencia. Kalamba now. Pinasayaw dito. Babat Manresa. Noya driving! Bank shot! 2 points! What a nice layup by Noya.
7 minutes and 31 seconds.
Kobe Valencia. Babat Manresa. Abon Bulak for 3. Wala. Rebound Alsola.
Wala ngayon. Ngayon na ang ngayon. Tanto Bangis. Abo lang. Tanto Bangis na po. 7 minutes of the game. 5 to 6 by the Badra.
Barrera now. Barrera. What a side step by Barrera. Kobe Valencia. Kobe, Tubon, Bulak for 3. Bang!
Wala yun. Nangangin, Tanto Boys.
Dubla, pass to Kalamba.
Kalamba na ball.
Kalamba controlling.
8 to shoot. 7 to shoot.
Kalamba to Noya, back to Kalamba. Pasa kay Ridubla, wala. Noya, to fly.
7 minutes in. 6 minutes and 85. 5 to shoot. Walang Kobe Valencia. There's number 77.
Valencia.
50 to shoot.
Cross. Valencia. Kicks it out. To Papat Manresa. Wala. Rebound. AJ Agbo, my foul.
There's number 19. Villa Yusuf. Satu to shoot. First is in the foul. Second team. Out na si number 19. One point. Last one, John Rosoli. Negative. Nagawin. Nagkakaboys.
Ridubla.
18 to shoot.
Asa kay Barrera.
Barrera. Gusto naman yung Pinoy.
Pakiding.
12 to shoot.
Pakiding cross pass. Barrera.
12 to shoot.
Out of bounds.
7 to shoot. 5 minutes, 7 3-1 na po. 31-24. Hey! 3-1 and 34.
Bling Bling Murillo.
Position number 1.
Asa kay Jenmar Bragaes. Tony Soy Baguio. Tonton Soy Baguio. Check. Barrera. Ridubla. Easy basket. Simple basketball. Bing Morse. Tubon Bulak. AJ Agbo. Bounce pass to Ridubla. 2 points.
5 minutes and 9. 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Bumalik ko lang sa manang libera. 5 minutes and 4.
Murillo.
Let's go on the ball.
Murillo for 3. Court.
Right there, Bruno, five boots up. Wala ngayon, nakakalto.
Alamba. Alamba! Wala! Rebound by my foul.
First 17. It's a blocking down. You have more personal foul. 30 down on Franco. 4 minutes and 48. The manager.
Bulak, driving, sira basket, wala. Tony Soy Baguio. Sablay, Pakiding rebound. Barrera, for 3. Wala. Okay. Jem Margaes. Bragaes. Check by Pakiding. 3, laban sa isa. Red Bugla 2 points. Bon Bulak for 3. Bulak!
3 minutes and 26 seconds. Mabigay sa nangyanaw.
Alamba.
There's a down. Lagi sila the nice submission. First is in the foul. Second rebound, that's right. 3 minutes and 48. 40 should go.
Alamba pass.
Another receive.
Alamba long 3. Short.
Three minutes and 40. Akbong, which is number 1. Controlling the ball. 3 minutes
Murillo.
and 32 seconds.
Bling Morse. Wala. Pakiding. Pasa kay Kalamba. Kalamba nakalusot. Bounce pass. Gandang pasa kay Pakiding. Supply. Murillo. Jendy. Bragaes. 2 points. Kalamba. Wala ka rin. Score 36-30. Ling Murillo. Jintoy ni Ares ipinasok na dito. Murillo. Bounce pass. Consuay Baguio, wala. Jankoy Cabahog. Foul.
First is the ball, 20 down, Agato. 2 minutes and 48. Ano na naman sama? Ano na naman sama? 2 minutes and 48. Sir, ang hilo-hilo na ha, kamay. Kaya na sa fence sa swimming pool, hindi na kita magsama doon. Kung minutes ito doon, hindi ko kong pinahag shot clock.
Cabahog, guarded by Noya. Cabahog lumusot. Wala. Kalamba, pass break. Parin by Bragaez, Kalamba. My foul.
Second personal foul. Third team foul and CFR.
1 point Kalamba.
Kita sudah seminggu, kita sudah
Bling Bling Murillo. Murillo kicks it out to Mingito. Mingito to Jenmar Bragaez. Bragaez. Step back for 3. Mingito wala. Paglinawan now. Paglinawan driving. Paglinawan support. 34-36. Dalawang puntos lang ang kalamangan ng CFR. Bragaez, pasa kay Mingito. To Jintoy Mijares. Mijares kicks it out to Jen B. Bragaez for 3. Wala. John Coy Cabahog. Putback. Kalamba. Pasa kay Pakidig. To Kalamba, open sa 3 points. Kalamba, wala. Cabahog, pass break play. To Bling Bling Murillo. Murillo, 2 points.
1 minute point. 1 minute and 2 seconds.
Paglinawan, pass to Pakidig. Seconds to play.
Into the shoot.
Pakidig now. 10 for 3. Behind the back pass to Noya. 10 seconds to shoot. Pakidig. 5 seconds to shoot. Paglinawan.
Asan pala? 3. Tama? 3 shot lang. 3 shot lang. 3 shot lang. 3 shot lang.
3 seconds to shoot. Kalamba. Rebound Mijares.
38 seconds. 36 seconds.
36 seconds. Jintoy.
33. Into the shoot.
Jintoy kicks it out to Bling Bling Murillo.
There to shoot.
Murillo, what a pass! To John Coy Cabahog.
30 seconds. 18.
Paglinawan to the leg.
14.
Nice defense pero may nakitang foul dyan ang ating referee. Power jersey number 1, holding foul. Pakidig now. Pasa kay Kalamba. Kalamba guarded by Jintoy. Kalamba cross pass to Paglinawan. Air ball.
1.9 seconds. 1.9. Wait for the whistles. 1.9 seconds.
End of the second quarter. It's scored 42-34 in favor of CM Farm basketball.
Alright, shout out! Dagang salamat. This live stream is powered by Court Vision, sponsored by the CM Farm Basketball, owned and managed by Boss Mario Batilan and Ma'am Virgil Aliones. Dagang salamat. And salamat sa Homemade Customized Furniture, home of the champions, Big Printing Services, Munmon Official, the Honorable Ying Libuangan, Honeyboy Libuangan, and Ma'am Bam Libuangan. Thank you for inviting us here at Laak Davao. Back to you, partner.
Okay, back to the ball game for the third quarter. Jenmar Bragaez, pass to LG Aquino. Ipinasok na dito. Jintoy. To Aquino. Jenmar Bragaez. For 3. Sablay. Rebound dito paglinawa. Nagmamadali sa buhay. Diretso na to. Bounce pass. To Calamba. Points.
Walang ngayon Aquino.
LG Aquino. Jintoy Mijares. Back to Aquino. Aquino to Minguito. Vincent Minguito to Jenmar Bragaez behind the back pass. Ang pasa galing kay Bragaez. Calamba. Calamba now. Papiling. Takes it out. Paglinawan. Heading out. Fast break. Jenmar Bragaez, 2 points. Calamba, 4-3. Short, pero Pakiling. Sablay. Rebound John Coy Cabahog. Pasa kay Aquino. Aquino to Jintoy Mijares, 2 points. Calamba.
16 to shoot. This is Pakiling in the ball.
Pakiling to Calamba. 3 points, basket and 1.
Basketball, person number 8. They're going to go subdivision. Subdivision na lang. First person na pa, pressing down na siya. Megan. Wala kaya na sa reform. There's Aquino. 7 minutes left for the
Aquino.
Aquino
For 3. Bingo! Aquino.
Wala kaya na ng kanto. There's a Calamba. With the ball.
Calamba, guarded by Aquino. Screen by Pakiling. Check by Minguito. 2 points, Vincent Minguito.
Wala na dyan sila ng team. Control the ball. Pakiling.
Pakiling to Barrera. Barrera, screen by Pakiling. Barrera, pasa kay Paglinawan. Lumapit sa Genly. Wala. Rebound John Coy Cabahog. Pasa kay Jintoy. Aquino. Cross pass to Vincent Minguito. John Coy Cabahog. Vincent Minguito. Na-slide pa yan.
6 minutes and 46. Right to the ball game. Six minutes and 36 seconds. A little bit of plus. Never the plus there.
Okay, back to the ball game. Calamba. Masakit paglinawan. Out of bounds.
Relax lang po mga audience. Tingnan lang ilang ang position. Sa na shoot.
Barrera. Bounce pass.
Ready to shoot.
Heading now.
Magiging.
Calamba.
Ready to shoot.
Paglinawan. Lumusot. May foul.
Claro. Reset lang. Ah, Jason David pala, sorry. Reset lang ako siya. Napahog. First. And second. Second. One point, Camino. 6 minutes and 18. Wala sa Aquino.
Aquino. Bounce pass to Jintoy Mijares. Cross pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Bragaes, 2 points. Barrera now.
6 to shoot.
Barrera. Ball up, Jay. Wala. Rebound, Elmer Chavez. Check by Barrera. Pakiding, 2 points.
Cinco. 41. We're one. 5 minutes and 37. Cinco y 41. Bogey. Five minutes and 37. Walang ginasiyan.
Mangelia. Pass kay Elmer Chavez. To Cardawi Shikalabe. Kicks it out to Jintoy. Mijares for 3.
Walang ginasiyan.
Barrera. Calamba now. Masa kay paglinawan.
9 to shoot. 6 to shoot.
Barrera.
3 to shoot.
When Binida, pull up. Jay, wala. Mandelia, pass break play. To Cardawi Shikalabe at 2 points.
4 minutes and 46 seconds.
Calamba. Pass to Calamba. Calamba, step back. Rebound Elder E. Chavez. Asa kay JB Mantilla. Check by Calamba. Paglinawan, wala. JB. Jintoy, tatlo laban sa dalawa. 2 points. Si Calabe. Paglinawan for 3. When Benita, offensive rebound. Cross pass to Calamba. Calamba. Paglinawan for 3. Rebound JB Mantilla. My foul.
Holding submission. First team foul. 3 minutes and 50 for the third quarter. Walang interception. Controlling the ball. Mr. Mantilla.
Mantilla, pass to Chavez. Chavez driving.
Mr. Brown, uli. Mr. Number 891, holding. Sige, take over ng Manto.
Jintoy. Bounce pass to si Calabe. Si Calabe, 3 points. Barrera. Pasa kay Calamba. Calamba to Barrera. Cross. Barrera lumusot. Pakining putback.
Walang intercept. 3 minutes and 48.
Jintoy.
Yes, sir. Hey, Hamas.
Screen by Chavez. Pull up. Jay. Jintoy. Wala. Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Mantilla inbounding the ball. Pasa kay Bunbula. Balik muna kay Mantilla. Check by Pakining. Pasa kay Calamba. Calamba. Nagmamadali sa buhay. Pasa kay Redubla. Bank shot. 2 points. Redubla. Bragaes. Screen by Chavez. Step back, may kasama pang Dila. Yun. JB. Genmar. Bragaes. Out of bounds. Calamba. Chavez. At Chavez. May foul yan.
Blocking. Sige, gusto na foul 30. Down na ka. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Isang sa Chavez. Bigyan ng dalawang rito sa 15-foot line.
1 point, Chavez.
Last round, Chavez winning. Minute and 49.
Supply, rebound Redubla. Pass to Barrera. May foul.
1 minute and 41.
Out of bounds, sorry.
1 minute and 37.
JB Mantelia controlling the ball.
We take a shoot. Mantelia.
Pass to Chavez.
Take the shoot.
Kubun Bulak. Long three. Bulak wala. Tapi kay Papart Mandresa.
Take the shoot.
Si Calabe.
Take the shoot.
JB Mantelia, quick release. Wala. Kalamba. Pass break na kay Barrera. Hindi ko makita. Buenvenida, 2 points.
1 minute and 4 seconds. Sigue su play. 55 segundos. 50 seconds. $42. 26. 30 seconds. 25.
Mantelia, pass to Papart Mandresa.
16 to shoot.
JB.
10 to shoot.
Pass to Papart Mandresa.
4.
Hindi ko makita. May foul. Pushing foul. Remove lang.
5 seconds. Pushing 7, pushing. 14 foul ba tayo? First question of all, 14 foul. 7 seconds. 60 seconds.
Bunbulak. Out of bounds.
6
Same ball.
seconds. 5 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds ba tayo?
And Chavez, 2 points. Bulak. End of the third quarter. Score 67-47 in favor of CM Farm Basketball.
Alright, this live stream is powered by Court Vision and CB Production, sponsored by the CM Farm Basketball, owned and managed by Boss Mario Bantilan and Ma'am Virgil Alias. Salamat. O salamat po sa homemade customized furniture Tagum, home of the champions. Big Printing Services by Cardawi Shikalabe, Monmon Official, and the Good Game Networks, our internet provider for the event. And salamat po, Honorable Yeng Lee Buangan, Honorable Honey Boy Lee Buangan, and Ma'am Bam Lee Buangan. Back to you, partner.
In favor of CM Farm Basketball. Alamba pass to Benvenida. Pakiding for 3. Out of bounds.
Wala na.
Paglinawan. Guarded by Chicalabe. Air ball. Pakiding rebound. Paglinawan again. Bang! Mantilia. Pasa kay Chavez. Chavez block by Paglinawan.
Substitution. Hey, substitution. Substitution again. Substitution. Volvió a ser un bajón, ¿no? Échala. The monitor, 5 to shoot.
Bonbulak.
2.
Quick release. Bonihos Bulak. Naubusan ng shot. Wow.
5 minutes a league. Ngayon ang kanto. Terus Guru Kalamba.
Kalamba.
Ini adalah si Papa Malaysia. Swing to shoot.
Asa kay Benvilida for 3. Short. Rebound Papat Manresa.
8 minutes and 48 seconds. Sumadak pa sa Papat.
John Paul Cabahog. EJ Agbong.
Agbong. Swing to shoot.
Bulak.
10 to shoot.
Mandelia.
7 to shoot. Eddie Cabahog. Libre sa Papat.
Points. Papat Manresa.
Wala kaya ng kanto. Mr. Barrera on the ball. 8 minutes and 18.
Razona.
Second down 11. 8 to shoot.
Barrera. Pull up. Jay. 2 points.
Sino Patan. O, 2 points lang. Seven minutes and 54.
Mandelia pass to John Paul Cabahog. EJ Agbong. May foul.
Use a foul. Jersey number 9 and 1. Use a pocketing. Illegal contact to the arm. Third personal foul. First down ng kanto.
Sablay ang tira ni John Paul ay ni EJ Agbong.
Digit.
Paglinawan, step back for 3. Bang!
7 minutes and 20 seconds. 36.
Papat Manresa may foul.
Jersey number. Substitution. Second personal foul. Sugadinka. Seven minutes and 15. Wala pa na pagbago. 7 minutes and 15. Nege. Last round. Abang. 1 point. There's a bell. Yeah, person number 11. First person of ball, first team down, that's it. Kalamba. Inaras. Inaras. Ako na kaya.
Kalamba. Pass to Paglinawan. For 3. It scores 70-58. Jenmar Bragayas guarded by Paglinawan. Jen B. Rebound Alsola. Pass to Cabahog. Cabahog, 2 points. No. Kapit maluang man eh. Bragaes, pass to Pabert Mandresa. Mandresa gusto mararuhin si Calamba. Pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Wala. Alsola putback. Mandelia. Alsola check by Belvinida. May foul.
Sige po siya foul po sa isa. Sabi ko siya.
Awit maluwang mani.
Calamba guarded by Jenmar Bragaes. Double team. Makiling. Paglinawan. For 3. Again. Wala. Down. Barrera going around. Out of bounds. Nagsasaya ang mga tao dito pag nakapasok ang Team Canto Boys kasi plus 15 yung binigay na partida. Ayaw ba ba? Ang nakuha sa kilid, nagpanghapak na. Kaya ang ulo, o siya ang paa. Kaya gusto masipyat na si Imparm.
Oh, sasama na agad. Agom kayo. Agom agad. Soon. Pagka na ako balik ka nito parang. Sige-sige na daw sa.
Well done, Mami. 5 minutes and 50. We're para good morning.
Sugat sa kong kere. Pangalot na glubot.
5 minutes and 50.
Calamba. Ano ba Bragaes? Check by Jenmar Bragaes. Ano? Napasobra sa takbo. Si Jenmar Bragaes. Napalakas ang turbo ni Jenmar Bragaes. Barrera! Out of bounds! Bola ng CM Farm Basketball.
Nakapusing nun mo.
Wala ngayon ang nakalala sa part. Si Kubo Valencia.
Kobe Palencia.
Pwede na shoot.
Pasa kay Jenmar Bragaes. Bragaes, ball up J. Air ball. My foul.
First and everything. Longing. First and everything. Flip it down. Check. 1, 2, 7 days right now.
Pakiling now. Kalamba foul again. Naghihiyawan ang tao dito. Crowd favorite dito ang Kanto Boys. Warning will foul out Jenmar Bragaes.
4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Pakiling, bumitaw ng 3 points. Pakiling for 3.
4 minutes and 9.
Bragaes. Yes! Kalamba. Paglinawan. Pasa kay Kalamba. Gandang drop pass kay Pakiling. Di na natutuwa. Sampo ang inahabol. 64-74 Bragaes. Kalamba. Cross. Pasa kay Paglinawan. Paglinawan for 3. Wala. Rebound Benvenida. Kalamba. Kalamba now. My foul.
Satu distance.
Kobe Palencia. Kobe. Pasa kay Bragaes. For 3. Wala. Out of bounds.
Combination 45. Double five. Version not double five. 2.5. Combination 45.
Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. JB Mandelia. Check by Pakiling. Malamba now. Cross pass to Paglinawan. Umatras. Goal 3. Pass na pala yun kay Pakiling. Extra pass. Short. Jenmar Bragaes. Gusto lusutan ang lahat. I foul.
Score 74-64. 7. Game. 2 minutes and 17. We will score the ball. One point. 2, 1, 2, 3. Go 17.
Kalamba. Guarded by JB Mandilia. Pull up J. Kalamba 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Pasa kay Tabaho. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Kalamba. Kalamba now. Pasa kay Pakiding. 4-3. Pito na lang ang inahabol. 76-69. AJ Agbong. JB Mantilia. 2 throws.
Ayun na, naglalagulak ko rin. Daog lang, last 15. Hindi na nakapas. Last 15, daog lang, lahana ka. Hinayo naman, bakas sa timer, nalahana naman na. Gusto? Oras na ko. Ano eh, napapay oras yan eh.
Wala ba, 45.
76-69. Jenmar Bragaes. Bounce pass to AJ Agbong. Bragaes. Out of bounds. John Court Cabahog. Cabahog 2 points. Pakiding. Paglinawan 4-3. Wala. Jintoy Mijares, pass to Jenmar Bragaes. Bam! Paglinawan. Out of bounds. Time out.
Ever. BG Ramos. Pareho ka sa likod. GC Ramos. BG Ramos. Pareho sa likod. 9.5. Sige. 9.5. Sige.
Last 9.5 seconds. Kalamba inbounding the ball. Pasa kay Barrera. Barrera for 3. Wala. Kapahog. Denmark Bragaet. Congratulations, CM1! 46 araw ng lahat, Davao de Oro. Third Open Commercial Basketball Tournament champion. Final score, 69-81. Congratulations, CM Farm Basketball. Maraming salamat sa mga nananaw. Diri alive. Pag siyempre sa mga online live viewers. Dagan kayo, salamat sa inyo ha. Siyempre, big shoutout sa mga big boss, Madam Virgie Aliones at Boss Mario Bantilan. Boss, thank you kayo. O sa mga sponsors, dagan kayo salamat sa kuwang partner, Court Vision. Maayong gabi. Siyempre, CM Farm Basketball. Shoutout sa inyong tanan. Shoutout sa mga nag-watch na mga partner, sa mga players. Shoutout sa inyo Yumi, Fortuna shoutout. Shoutout sa mga partner, Zeb De La Torre. Shoutout sa mga I love you.
Alright, congratulations to CM Farm Basketball for winning the third Open Commercial Basketball in celebration of the 46th Araw ng Laak, Davao de Oro. Congratulations once again. CM Farm defended the title. Siyempre, shout out to our live stream powered by Court Vision, sponsored by the CM Farm Basketball, owned and managed by Boss Mario Bantilan and Ma'am Virgie Aliones. Dagan kayo salamat. And dagan salamat po sa homemade customized furniture. Tagom to Big Printing Services, home of the champions, Monmon Official, and our internet provider, Good Game Networks of Laak by Sir Aljon Aliaga. Dagan kayo salamat. Dagan salamat po to Honorable Ying Libuangan and Honorable Honey Boy Libuangan and Ma'am Bam Libuangan for inviting us here, facilitating. Dagan kayo salamat po.
Kemudian,